I'm from the direction of engineering, radio and television. Here I will explain about how basic technique photography with a camera setup. First, turn on the camera and pressing minor buttons on off camera at upper end. Here I use manual mode. Before take a photo, we have to search for object that we want photos. After we have got an object that we want to photos, we must regulate ISO. Set the diaphragm and shutter speed base disabled. Third, already manage it if you call pin focus with a closer manner, managing focus that in a camera lens. The fourth, when getting a focus, we can directly photographing the object by means of pressing buttons shutter. And most recently, we could directly see the result of a photograph that we take a camera in the gallery. Thank you for being already witness the discussion from me. Bye.